Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In the last video, we learned how to insert nodes in a circular linked list. And today we are going to learn how to delete nodes from it. We will look at all the three main deletion means from the start, from the end, and from a specific position. So before we start deleting nodes, let's quickly revise what a circular linked list actually is. In a normal linked list, the last node next is null. But in a circular linked list, the last node points back to the first node, which forms a circle-like structure. Now, when we delete nodes here, we have to be a little careful because if we break that circular connection by mistake, our list will not remain circular anymore. So let's begin with the first type, delete from the start. Let's understand how deletion from the start works. So here what we will do step by step is, first we will check if this list is empty. If it is, we will just print list is empty. If there is only one node, then we simply set head is equal to null. Otherwise, we will find the last node, the one whose next point to the head. And then we will update the last node next to point to the second node. Finally, we will move head to the next node. That means our old first node is deleted and the list is still remains circular. Now let's move to VS Code and write the code for this. Yes. So I already write the class node and class circular linked list CLL and already make this list like here 10, 20, 30 and 40. And now I want to write this delete from the start. After that, see what is the output. So first check whether this list is empty or not. This dot head, then return console.log list is empty. Notable. Now next is the next. If there is only one node, we make head is equal to null and return this. Means if this dot head dot next is equal to this dot head, then we have to make this dot head is equal to null and return this. And after that, we let temp equal to this dot head, and while temp dot next is not equal to this dot head, and we have to update this temp equal to temp dot next. Now we will find the last node, that is the one those next is pointing to the head, and after this just update the connection. Means temp dot next is equal to this dot head dot next, and this dot head is equal to this dot head dot next. Means we finally connect the last node to the second last node, this dot head dot next, and move our head here. Means this dot head is equal to now be this dot head dot next. And let me run this again. Now see, original link circular linked list is 10, 20, 30, 40, and after running this delete from start, now our list is 20, 30 and 40. Means we deleted 10 from this linked list. Now next one is this, see how to delete from the end. So here again same idea, we just have to reach the second last node and change its pointer to the head, and first check if the list is empty or not. If it is, just print list is empty. If there is only one node, make head is equal to null. Otherwise traverse till the second last node and update the next pointer to the head, and result is last node deleted and circular link stay perfect. So let's write the code for this again. And just one thing, this code is similar to for if this is a this dot head, or means if the list is empty or if the list has only one node. If there is only one node, we set head is equal to null, and if it is empty, just write the list is empty. And after that, we have to let current equal to this dot head, and while current dot next is not equal to this dot head. and update the current every time, current equal to current dot next, and this is 7. Yes. Now here we loop until we reach the second last node, means current dot next, and that's when the current dot next is equal to this to head, then we just come out from this. And finally we have to update the connection, which is current dot next is equal to this dot head, means then we simply point current dot next to head, and so the last node is gone and the circle is maintained easy. So let me uncomment this. So if you see, our original is 10, 20, 30. After delete from start, our is 20, 30 and 40. If I run again, now after delete from the end, 40 is removed from this list. It's super easy. Just main part is this current dot next this dot head. Every delete from start, delete from end, delete from position, every time we have just main focus on this connection, and this one is the same for all three approximately. Now third one is the delete from position. So here for again we have to just check if the list is empty or not. If it is, list is empty, just print. And if position is equal to 1, just call the delete from the start function. Otherwise we will move till the node just before the given position, and then we will make its next skip the node we want to delete. And if position is invalid, print invalid position and return this. So let's move to VS Code and write again, just copy paste the code. I write this code. If this dot head is empty, then write return console.log list is empty. After that, if index is equal to 1, then return this dot delete from start. Else if the position is not 1, means let current is equal to this dot head and make a count, let count is equal to 1, and run a while loop. It runs till the count is smaller than index minus 1, and current dot next is not equal to this dot head, and we have to update the current every time. Current is equal to current dot next, and also count ++. So here then we move till the node just before the given position here, and just check if the current dot next is triple equal to this dot head, and return console.log invalid position. After that, just update this. Finally skip the target node by linking to the next of next, means current dot next is equal to current dot next, means we just rearrange the pointer next dot next, and after that our node deleted successfully. If I comment this, means I can get my original linked list. So if you see, our original is 10, 20, 30, 40, and I call delete from position 3rd, means at position 3rd we have 30 here, and 30 is removed from this list. So let's quickly summarize this. We learned today is delete from start, means we updated head and last node properly, and delete from head, we updated the second last node next to the head. Delete from a position, we skip the target node, and most importantly we always maintain the circular connection. And you will get this PPT in the video description also. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to JD Codebase for more short and simple